Thanks very much. You guys. You guys thought we were gone. You fell for the oldest trick in the book. Honestly, hey, listen, I hope you had a good time. Thank you so much for coming out. Thanks for being us. Honestly, what a great audience. Thank you so much. Our merchandise is for sale out there, okay? And if you guys want to get an autograph or a photo, we will be right down here in the front of the stage. Just give us 5 minutes after the show. Again, thank you so much. Please have us back in Portland. It's the last song of the night. You gotta stand up anywhere. The song is called Courting in the Kitchen. Pay attention to never fall in love. It's the devil's own invention. Once I fell in love with the lady so bewitching, it's Henry and a bell. Captain Carey's kitchen with me to la, to a lulali, to la, to a lulali, to la, to la, to a lulali. Well, at the age of 17, I was apprenticed to a grocer. The farm was deep between where Miss Henry used to go, sir. Her manners were so fine, set my heart a twitching. She invited me to a room in the kitchen. To la, to la, to la, to a lulali with me. To la, to la, to la, to a lulali. Next Sunday be the day that we want to have our flare up. I just be set quite gay, prison on me head up. The captain had no wife. He was gone fishing, so we kicked up my life to a hurry in the kitchen with me. To la, to la, to a lulali with me. To la, to a lulali with me. To la, to a lulali. For me they said no bail, till I get home I was itching. Had to tell the tale of how I came into the kitchen. So she's the right man, gave a flat denial for us all that indict me. I was sent for trial, so I arrived at the house in spite of all my preaching. I got 6 months hard for me hooey in the kitchen. Choo-la, 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 choo-la. Think it's